Today I'm making Agua de Fresa, or Strawberry Smoothie. Agua de Fresa is the perfect refreshing summer drink. This is an incredibly easy recipe that only takes 2 ingredients, 3 if you include water. You can press the CC button to turn on subtitles or check out the full list of ingredients in the video description. We'll only need 3 ingredients: strawberries, about 4 cups, 1.5 cups of sugar, and 4 cups of water. Let's remove the stems from our strawberries and add them into the blender, making sure not to get everything in on the first try as is tradition. Boop. Now go ahead and add in your water. Let's start off with 2 cups. We can adjust this later. Blend this until smooth and transfer to a pitcher for final mixing and serving. Next I'm adding in some sugar, about half a cup at a time, alternating with water to get the flavor I want. Make sure to mix everything well so your sugar's not just sitting at the bottom. Now let's do a quick taste test. Could use a little more sugar and water. I ended up using about 1 cup of sugar and 4 cups of water total, but you can adjust this for your taste. This also makes great popsicles. I'm going to pour some of it into a popsicle mold. Maybe the lid's a good idea? Yeah, put that on. There we go. Now fill up all the molds and add in the popsicle sticks. Check it out. There's a lot of pink going on here. I like it. Pop these in the freezer and wait for them to freeze. While we wait, let's give our Agua de Fresa a try. Gotta open up the pitcher first. There you go. And pour yourself a glass. And it's perfect. There's a reason this is called Agua Fresca, or fresh water in Spanish. It's made with simple, fresh ingredients and is so refreshing. You've got a quick, refreshing drink bursting with sweet, fresh strawberry flavor. I decided to keep mine a little thicker today because I wanted a more concentrated flavor for the popsicles, but again, add more or less water and sugar to suit your tastes. And finally, let's see how our popsicles came out. I'm just having one now, so I'm just going to individually dip it in a glass of warm water for about 10 seconds, then try and pull it out. Sweet, got it on the first try. And they look awesome. A lot of the same things can be said about these popsicles. Cold, refreshing, and definitely strawberry. I have found that when frozen, this smoothie loses some of its sweetness. So next time I'll probably divide it and add more sugar to the portion I'll use for popsicles. These popsicles are perfect for keeping cool this summer. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new, be sure to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you all this Sunday for a special treat. See you then.